Okay, 6 o'clock. Welcome back to Cooking with the Skinny Guinea, where we do quick, healthier meals in 30 minutes or less. Couldn't get it better than this, right? Like, you got Cinco de Mayo on a Tuesday, and now you have tacos on a Tuesday, and Mexican theme, and this is like a gigantic party. Can't you tell we're all partying over here? What a party we got going on. So, and tonight we are doing easy beef burritos. Okay, so I'm mixing it up a little bit, okay, tonight, because tonight I'm going to do something a little bit healthier for the guinea pig, because she wants to keep things on the healthier side a little bit. So we're gonna do turkey meat for her. And I also, because I only have a pound of turkey meat and my kids eat me out of house and home, I also got, I don't know, like a pound of ground beef too. So, all right, so let me tell you what I got going on here. I got my turkey meat. I just took the top off, so I just put a little tin foil on there. Okay, so I got my turkey meat, and then I got my ground beef. Okay, I'm gonna put some carrots in. I wanna keep it somewhat healthy here. I'm also doing some onions. I'm gonna do some tomatoes in the burrito too. I have cheddar cheese. I'm gonna dash it with some lime. I have my go-to seasoning, which is the standard seasoning. It's in, all my taco recipes. I got some brown rice that I already cooked up, so I got that going here. What else do I have? I have a can of black beans and a can of corn and some Greek yogurt. So sour cream, Greek yogurt, whatever you guys want to do. So let's get going. All right, now I got a couple of pans going here. Okay, you can see I got 1, 2, 3 pans. I don't know if you can see this end one, but this is where I'm going to do the turkey. I'm going to do all the mix-ins, and then I'm going to do the beef down here at the end. Cook some carrots up. So I'm just seasoning up the carrots with salt and pepper. All right, so cooking up my carrots. All right, so I'm going to dump my onions in this middle pan here. Start cooking those up. I'm gonna season up the onions a little bit, salt and pepper. Okay, so these carrots look pretty good on the one side. They look pretty good on this side too. Wanna say hi?
Hi.
There she is, one of the mini guineas. Tell them who you are.
Kylie.
That's Kylie. Oops. No, that's the turkey meat.
I love tacos.
Yes, you do.
Can I try to do it?
This is frozen. You can do this side. Do that side.
I want to do this.
You want to do that one? I break that up. Let me get another spoon. Look at this! I got help tonight! I'm so excited! And you just mix it around a little bit. So you break it all up and then you mix it around without spilling anything. You know what I mean?
Try my best.
Do your best, Kylie! Do your best, mini guinea! Yes! There she is, the guinea pig! Wave hi, babe!
Thank you, Alexa.
Isn't that nice? Okay, so how's that meat coming along?
It's all brown.
Is it all brown? No, not all brown. Whoop, burning the onions.
Oh, no.
Oh no. Alright, so what I'm going to do is keep mixing that up. You. Okay, mix that up. Okay, so the turkey meat looking good.
These are going to be burnt.
Yeah, I'll lower that actually. Good. Thanks, kiddo.
You're welcome. I'm like the main chef right here now.
You are the main chef.
I'm kind of like the Mrs. Guinea.
You are the head honcho.
Oh my god.
What happened?
It bubbled in my face.
Take it easy, will you?
It bubbled. Hey.
Okay, so I'm adding the black beans to the onions. Keep moving it around like this. Look, just kind of crunch it up and move it around nice and easy.
Now this is like the brown.
Yeah, that one looks pretty good, yeah. We're in good shape. Okay, so I got 3 pans going. I got my sous chef, Kylie, here. She's like a huge help tonight.
Oh, what is this?
This is the seasoning.
Am I helping you?
You are helping me.
Are these carrots?
Yeah, those are carrots. Carrots. Okay, so I'm done with the beef here. You're a big help today, Kai.
Can you take this out?
Yeah, we're gonna actually take that out now.
Ready or not?
All right, so here's what we're gonna do. All right, we're gonna make the burrito. Okay, so I'm gonna bring Michelle's taco meat over here.
Please tell me how to do that.
Okay, we're gonna make this burrito, and then I'm gonna fire it up. All right, so I'm gonna put. I know she likes a lot of cheese, so I'm gonna put a good amount of cheese on the bottom here for her.
That's you.
This is just for mommy.
How can you eat so much? I know you eat like 5 tacos every time. But like, how can you eat that?
Listen, you know your mother. She eats, man.
But is that what she said?
So I got the beef. Kind of gotta get it here, kind of.
I think she should be called the eating pig.
Hey, settle down over there.
Wait.
Sound like Papa.
Gonna put some tomatoes on here. Okay, so she's gonna get a little bit of this. I don't have any guac, so I can't do that. I'm gonna take a little bit of fresh lime.
Hey. Thank
Okay.
you so much.
Now I'm gonna tuck this in, wrap this around.
Can you make mine?
Okay, so she's gonna have a nice little burrito here. Yeah, put a little bit of olive oil in here. All right, so I got the burrito here. Okay, and we're gonna actually fry this up a little bit. All right, let's do this. We're gonna make it nicey nice. Nice and toasty.
Toasty. Very toasty.
Very toasty. Okay, so I'm gonna brown this up. And then we are gonna be ready to feed the guinea pig and look for 2 thumbs up, right? Because that is, if this is your first time hopping on, that's the whole premise of the show, is I cook the meal, I feed Michelle, my wife, the guinea pig, and then she rates the meal based on how she thinks. It's either 2 thumbs up, 1 thumb down, 2 thumbs down, 2 up great, 1 up good, 1 down, 2 down, like my dog, Snickers and Rolo when he eat, right? Okay. That's done.
Force will be with you.
Here,
It looks like a
slippery little sucker. Okay, you ready, babe?
I'm not
do this.
Guinea anymore. I'm growing.
She is
So
growing.
I should be the growing Guinea.
The growing guinea?
Here. I think we
Only at
should
breakfast.
at breakfast. Oh, is this the rice I like?
Okay,
Well, it looks like a
let's do it. Going for 2.
Can I smell it? Oh. Good. They don't know the
Oh yeah! Happy Cinco de Mayo, baby! Cinco! That's awesome. Now I thought that she would have had a little bit of a problem with the, a little bit too much of the tortilla and the wrap, but it all worked out in the end. Now, that's the turkey one. Can't imagine how good the beef one is. So, guys, that is it. That is tonight's episode on Cinco de Mayo.
Happy Cinco de Mayo!
Happy Cinco de Mayo. So, that's it, guys. We will see you tomorrow night. Cook it with the skinny guinea. Finish it fast. Even in the kitchen. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Enjoy. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Take care. Bye-bye.